back up. What's the crew? He's braver than that. You gotta let us know when you film it for the people.
Yeah, that's okay. I cut it out. That's all right. Don't worry about it. I cut it right out.
I'm not feeling.
I don't think that guy. Hey, but I've been wrong before.
What do you cut out? You're swearing?
Yeah, cussing. I cut it out. Yeah, mine too. I can fix it.
Broke at the top shot.
Oh, that's nice.
They're all over you.
I got 40-pound cold cigar.
I got
plenty of it. Jesus Christ. What happened, John?
What happened, John?
Sabotage me, I get all slippery shit over here. I'm gonna fall if I get a big fish out.
Put that fish away over there.
There you go, John.
Big fish, John.
Big fish.
Get him, John. Tear him. Oh, nice. Oh, there you go. Nice white chin. Did, yeah, and I put the top of it too.
Yeah, some juices on it.
Yeah. That's what he said.
Yeah.
You look, it looks just like
Two whole crabs, not a bite.
Milrick with that stash. Pat Milrick.
Is that an insult or? From what I hear, that guy Pat Milk killed a dude.
Not bad.
And all it was just like raised. I'm like, oh god. It's not deep, it's just a finger cut. It's just like, oh my god, it's so fucking deep. I'm like, I think I literally tapped it. Oh no.
Hey, how come you didn't come out with us the other night?
I wasn't putting.
Well, Pat told you to come. Didn't we tell him to come? Police? The other night.
No, you're good.
Feels phenomenal.
You think fish are talked about that?
Who told who?
I told you.
No, we didn't.
That's a color I've
You
never
had the
seen.
calamari there?
I just got these this year.
Yeah.
Oh, he's good Italian.
That's one hell of a color.
Like it. The calamari.
Honestly,
7-4. 7-4. Nice. 9.
Oh, that's a nice one. John's got one on, Greg. Nice one. Right here. Not as nice as Nate's, but nice.
First I had to teach you how to jig for cod and pollock when you first started working with boats.
anytime you want a competition, ever. You know the whole saying, you can lead a horse to water, but can't force them to drink? Yep, you're all set. I mean, I've had raw geeks for literally 10 years. Like, this is the 733. I think beyond awesome. This is the Carbon 4.
Yeah.
They used to be awesome. I would not buy one ever again.
I mean, like I said, I probably would like a rod. I probably would like the rod. I probably really enjoy it. But because everyone's like,
Yeah, no beep beep today. Going out there. It's, compared to the ones I've been catching, it's a monster.
that's a beautiful fish.
It's a good deal. Yeah.
A very nice,
Is it red on
healthy
there? Is it red?
blackfish.
Oh, who snuck that one in?
Nate.
Nate, of course, Nate. Nice fish, Nate. Dang, man.
That thing hit before it even hit the ground.
Oh, really? Holy
Nate's fish was 9.5 pounds.
Nice fish, Nate. Another nice one. Get him. Oh, there we go. Matt, is that red light on? Probably not.
It is.
We had a full boat limit, and Nate won the pool again. Second time I fished with him, he wins it again. Congratulations, Nate.